Welcome to this explainer. We're diving into the great regional divide. Why do some towns boom while others bust?
You've seen it, right? Flashy tech hubs in Silicon Valley exploding, while historic industrial towns are just left shrinking.
So, why the huge gap? Why doesn't wealth naturally balance out and trickle down to the rest of us? Well, old school economics assumed markets magically fix themselves over time. But honestly, that's a total illusion.
Instead, theorist Gunnar Myrdal proved success literally breeds success, and failure triggers more failure. He called it cumulative causation. Think of a snowball rolling downhill. Market momentum is exactly like that. Unstoppable, gathering speed at an accelerating rate.
Trace it backwards, a factory closes, local demand plummets, young people leave, and suddenly, basic public services completely shrink. It creates this giant magnet effect. Those booming core regions actively suck vital resources from struggling areas.
My doll called this the backwash effect. Basically, labor, local capital, innovation, and political power all just flow away.
This isn't just abstract theory, it's a real human cost. Everyday people suffer when banks freeze and talent flees. Now contrast that backwash with spread effects. That's the rare, beneficial time when wealth actually spills over nearby.
If this downward snowball is so powerful, how on earth do struggling regions go back to the beginning?
Harvey Leibenstein authenticated the answer. Escaping this backwardness needs a massive, consolidated investment to overpower the negative shock. Small fixes just won't cut it. The economy needs a stimulus that crosses a critical minimum size to survive. Leibenstein called this massive strategy the big push. It's the only way to genuinely restart a dying local engine. How do we execute this? Diversify local industries, aggressively upgrade worker skills, foster new startups, and build solid infrastructure. Because without a huge push, even normal 3% population growth will totally erase any small, gradual economic gains. So, is your hometown caught in the snowball or prepping a big push? Keep questioning these invisible forces.